Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. Now market stands at a very important point for a long-term direction. As we said, this was our last discussion major target. So we said that actually no barriers have existed for completion of it, just because market already has broken level. XOP stands slightly above it, so reasonable to suggest that it should reach it. Now let's take a look at market is testing yearly pivot resistance 1. So 52.67. This is by itself very strong level because we're on a monthly chart, and normally it should be some pullback, some retracement here. At the same time, this level is important for next step, big direction, which is because, as I already explained a few times, from the pivot point framework, we know that usually when the market stands in a bearish trend, it shows retracement to the pivot resistance 1. But if market breaks it up, it means that this action is becoming not just a retracement of the previous downward action, but it's become a new bull trend. So breakout of the pivot resistance 1, because this is actually yearly pivot resistance 1, tells that this will be the continuation of this one, but not the retracement of this one. That's why it's so important right now. Yes, it will take probably some time until we get the clarity, but understanding that market already stands at a very important level just led us to be ready for possible breakout. If market will fail to break the pivot resistance 1 and start dropping for the year, that it still should be treated as a retracement, 618 retracement of the whole downward action, and it will mean that we should be ready for significantly deeper performance on lower time frames. At least it will return back to the pivot points, or more probable that it might be dropped to the pivot support 1 to 25 area if market will fail to break it up. But this is yet to happen, so yet no clarity. For now, we are mostly concerned about the price performance around this strong level. So on the weekly chart, we do not see something really special. Market has completed XOP and it's not at overbought. So we do not have additional barrier in the way of the overbought level. On a daily, since our upside extensions based on the minor ABCD pattern already is done and market is already overrun it, we're used some different target setting, and one of them is the using of the butterfly extension. The market right now stands at 127 extension, which is the 52. 1618 extension stands at the 55.57. This might be next destination point. So since market has really great momentum and monthly levels are relatively wide, so for the market reaching of the 55, which is then slightly above this level, it doesn't mean that some kind of the breakout or something. This is normal fluctuation range around the levels, because on the monthly chart we should treat it not as a precise number, some range around it. So some spiking around 55 and completion, for example, of this butterfly, it doesn't mean that actually these levels have been broken already. So from that standpoint, Bitcoin could fluctuate around it and let's complete even the butterfly, because as I said, overall momentum looks nice. What we could watch on the daily chart, first of all, is downside reversal, some reaction here, but mostly relates to the intraday performance. On the daily, personally, I like the most recent upward action. So for a moment I will close the Slater predictor, just not mess the picture, and take a look. Here we have nicely looking upward thrust. With this thrust, it might be, as usual, bread and butter or double repo. Bread and butter seems more reasonable in current circumstances. So minor pullback reaction on the strong resistance, for the 30%, for example, and then possible upward continuation to the 161 target, where the destination of the monthly resistance will be resolved. So destiny, sorry, not the destination, of course, destiny of this level will be resolved. That is short term what we expect to see on the Bitcoin market. By looking at lower time frames, currently I do not see yet any background for scalp short positions. So we have only thrust, no patterns. Market just has touched this level, so it was not it has not enough time to show any reaction. So we need to wait and see what will happen here. But if we will see within some time, I don't know, some pattern, for example, hand and shoulders will be formed here. That will be a rather healthy pattern that could trigger the pullback that we are watching for. So it will not mean that we should take the strategical bearish positions, it's just tactical for minor retracements. But for now, since we do not have it, I wouldn't consider taking a short position immediately. So for taking long position, it seems a bit late. It's because market stands on the strong resistance, or only if you believe that it will break it anyway. In this case, you could consider taking a long position, but normally by using the common sense and technical analysis, it suggests that this level is not really good for taking the long position right now. For the bearish position, it's a bit too early. It's because we do not have yet the patterns in place that could justify downside action and provide us necessary background, where the high stops, what the patterns to follow, and so on. That's why currently it seems that it would be better to sit on the hands and see what will happen. Is the bottom line. Context remain bullish, but in the nearest time we expect some pullback just because market stands at a very strong monthly resistance area and has completed daily butterfly 127 extension. Usually it means that reaction might be kind of the 30% pullback with the butterfly action, which could lead market somewhere to the 49 area, maybe slightly lower. So appearing of the brand buyer, all the better. In this case, we could consider taking the long position. So that's what we have on the Bitcoin.